Most AI tools give you answers. Genspark gives you results. Meet Genspark, the world's first Gemini Spark-powered AI agent that works while you're away. Give it a task, walk away, come back to results. Welcome to the quick demo of Genspark AI. Let me show you exactly how it works. This is the Genspark dashboard. Right here, you can connect your Google account and manage everything from one place. Gmail, Docs, Sheets, YouTube, Drive, and more. Everything connected and accessible from a single dashboard. No complicated setup, no technical skills, no endless prompting. Now let's jump into Genspark. The first thing you'll see is, what can I get done for you today? Simply tell Genspark what you want done. Now let's explore a few real-world examples. Need help managing your inbox? Just click Summarize Inbox. Summarize my unread emails and highlight anything important. Within seconds, Genspark reviews your inbox, summarizes key messages, and helps you focus on what matters most. Need local business leads? Click Find Local Businesses. Prompt: find 100 dentists in Dallas with business name, website, phone number, and email. Genspark gathers and organizes the information for you automatically. Need YouTube content? Click Create YouTube Video. Research AI marketing, create a video script, build a content plan, schedule the video, and prepare it for publishing on my YouTube channel. From research, to scripting, to planning, to publishing preparation, Genspark handles the entire workflow for you. Need content? Click Write Blog Post. Write a detailed blog post about AI marketing for beginners. Within moments, your content is ready. Genspark can instantly extract key insights, summaries, and action items. Need research? Prompt: research the latest AI marketing trends and create a summary report. Genspark collects, organizes, and summarizes everything into actionable insights. And because Genspark works across your connected Google Workspace, it can coordinate tasks between Gmail, Docs, Sheets, YouTube, Drive, and Calendar from one place. The goal isn't to give you more AI tools. The goal is to eliminate work. That's what makes Genspark good.